Hey friends, if you wish to fix a DISM error unable to access the image error 2 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the two only resolutions. So people are mentioning that you have to back up the registry, but here's the thing. Whenever you back up the registry, it creates a restore point on your system. So isn't it better to perform system restore? Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore and then select choose a different restore point next. If there was any backup operation or restore operation, any other good restore point, select it, click on next, finish, and finally click on yes. Now, if this works, well and good. If it doesn't, then the only option you have is a cloud reset. And before you perform a cloud reset, I want you to know that you will have to back up your data, because with a cloud reset, you will lose all your system data. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then wait. Click on cloud reset and then click on next and initiate the cloud reset process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.